Today I was going through some old JavaScript nodes on Notion, and among many others I had rediscovered this one, which is about the replacement patterns that the replace method applied on strings can get. I have only written a few of them. I have lately discovered that there are a few others, but let's see what I was fascinated about on March 17 this year. The first one, the first replacement pattern, is $sign followed by ampersand, and that will refer to the current string that is being matched. So in this case, it will refer to name, to the string name. If you were to use a regex, then that would refer to the regex, to the string found by the regex. Then we have $sign followed by backtick, and that will indicate the string that precedes the current match. And on the other side there is $sign followed by a quote, and that will refer to the string that follows the current match. And the way I think about this too is that the backtick is more on the left side of the keyboard, whereas the quote is more on the right side of the keyboard. And if you think about them like that, then I hope that it sort of comes naturally. And as I said in the beginning, there are other options. If you want to check them out, I will leave the link in the description. So that's what I wanted to share for today, and I hope I will see you in the next one.